Alright, so this is 4111 Miller Drive in St. Pete Beach. I am on the roof going down through the main 4-inch stack. And what we're wanting to do is inspect the lines under the house to check their condition and see if we have any issues. I am going to go and attempt to run some water so that I can clean off the head of the camera. Alright, so as you can see, I've got some flow going through the pipe, which is good. So what I'm going to do is push the camera along with the flow. I know we can't see anything. I just want to let that water flow through here, and then we'll shut the camera off. Or excuse me, shut the water off and pull it back to inspect the pipe. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be full of cast iron debris for sure. A lot of houses I see that sit vacant get full of cast iron debris. Alright, so I figured out which way the sewer is going. So if you're looking at the house right now, running through the main stack, this picks up the bathroom on the right hand side of the house, the bathroom on the backhand side of the house, the kitchen, and is going to be exiting the house over in the front left hand corner. So what we're going to need to do is figure out where there is an access point, because as you could tell when we were coming through here, all these pipes are filled with cast iron debris. You can see the debris there, and that's kind of why the water is just sitting in here. I find this to be extremely common with houses that have been, sitting vacant for a while. So my suggestion would be to have the sewer lines jetted. We can jet them for you. You would just need to have somebody come out and dig up the pipe, and then what we like to do is we open end jet, meaning we will run the jetter with the pipe still open and pull all this debris down into the ditch, and then the pipe can be put back together, and it would be a real good idea to stub a clean out up to grade at that point. I don't see anything cracked. I don't see anything broken. From this point we were able to get 72 feet, which is pretty much, the whole underside of the house. So you can see we're going through various fittings. We're coming up the side of 45 right now. She just needs to be jetted out. I don't see any major issues. After the jetting, if we jet it, we also run the camera and make a separate video so that we can identify if there are any issues once the pipes are clean, and also show you that, when we jetted this, that all this cast iron debris and all this scale has been removed from the pipe. So I'm coming back up the stack now. I'm going to reposition over the bathroom where I believe the sewer comes out, so that we can locate where the sewer exits the property. Alright, so I am now at the bottom of the stack that you can see looking at the front of the house, all the way in the front left hand corner. So that's going to be where the tub comes in. This is going to be a combo to the main line here. You can see the debris that's in it. Oh, we got a PVC 90 here. That's good news. And it looks like a 45-degree fitting. Let me pull this back and see if they... I can't see the top of that fitting to see if they actually stubbed a clean out in here or not. Let's go a little further and see if we see a clean out. So it looks like the main line, which you can see has got some scale in it. This has all been changed over to PVC. You can see the cast iron flakes in here. So the main line's PVC. That's awesome. It's not Orangeburg, which is really good news. That's going to be out by the street. This is going to be our drop down to the tap. Yep, there's our clay pipe for the tap. Alright, so the main line's definitely PVC. So what we're going to want to do is figure out, I'm going to mark up near the house where the line needs to be dug so that it can be open and jetted. That's a clean out, but it's 43 feet from the house. That's going to be a little far for trying to get all the debris out of the house. Alright, so there changes to cast iron right there at that 90. So let's locate that bad boy right here. Alright, so I've got this spot marked. I put a flag in the ground and I set a little pot over it just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, all this debris needs to be jetted out of the house. Take a little bit of time, but I would absolutely recommend open-ending it. Running a jetter, through any of the vent stacks, you're just going to end up pushing all that debris into the main line, causing a much bigger issue. So dig the pipe up where the flag is, open and jet it, stub a clean out up, put the pipe back together, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.